we'll guide you through how to use slow motion in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and import the video you want to edit by clicking the Import button at the top left corner. Once your video is imported, drag it to the timeline below. Now, you need to decide the part of your video you want to slow down. Navigate to the timeline and move the playhead to the start of the segment you want to slow down. Here, you can use the split tool, which looks like a little pair of scissors, to cut your video at this point. Do the same at the end of the segment you want to slow down, creating a separate clip. Click on this clip to select it. With the clip selected, go to the right panel and click on the Speed button. This will open a new panel where you can adjust the speed of your clip. To create a slow motion effect, drag the speed slider to the left, below the normal speed of 1x. You will see options like 0.5x for half speed, or even slower, depending on how dramatic you want the slow motion to be. Once you have adjusted the speed to your liking, play back the video to make sure it looks the way you want. If necessary, you can adjust the speed again or refine the cuts to perfect your slow motion. When you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button to save your edited video. Choose your preferred export settings and let CapCut do the rest. And there you have it. Your video now has a sleek, slow motion segment. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.